Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off animation in Canva. Let's begin. Turning off animations in Canva is a simple process whether you want to disable animations for text, images, or entire pages. Now, once you're logged into your account, I want you to open the project where you want to turn off the animations. In my case, I have this specific design. And as you can see, when I play it right here, you would notice that all the elements inside of it has an animation, right? So I have a photo and I have two videos in it. I'm gonna play it once again. You see that? If you want to turn off the animation, all I'm gonna do is hover to each element, for example, the photo. The animation effect is rise. If you click on it, you have the option to remove the animation. It's very simple. You can do that again on the next element, which is going to be the video at the bottom. Click on flip, remove the animation. Similarly to the next one, I'm going to click exit that. Click on the next video, pop, remove the animation. And of course, as you can see, by turning off the animation, you can enhance the effectivity and accessibility of your designs. Now, you would notice that removing animations helps to streamline the presentation, allowing the audience to concentrate on the main message without distractions. A static design can make your content clearer and more straightforward, particularly for informational materials. Some viewers may find the animations distracting or difficult to follow. Disabling them can enhance accessibility for a wider audience. But of course, it relies on the design that you're working with. Some brands may prefer a clean, minimalist aesthetic, so turning off animations can help maintain a consistent brand across all materials. Again, if you wanted to turn on the animation, all you have to do is select the element, click on animate. You have all these choices, for example, rise, pan, and on the side, you can choose another, for example, breathe. On the right side, you can choose the drift or tectonic. Play it again to see if the animation works pretty well in your design, as you can see it from here. All right, once you are happy with the overall design, click on close and you have the option at the upper right corner that says share. Click on download. You can download as MP4, as GIF, PDF for print, SVG, PDF standard, PNG, or JPEG. So you also have an option to copy a link and share it to your client, to your boss, or to your multiple collaborators or team members. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.